Hi students, this is Vijay Kumar. Welcome back to SR Maths Tutorials. First of all, please like, share, subscribe our channel. Today we discuss about a concept is lines and angles. And one more thing, that line, very important line is there, that is transversal line, and two lines are parallel to each other. Come to the point. On the board, line 1, line 2 are parallel to each other. Those lines are parallel to each other. Parallel nothing but the distance between the perpendicular distances between the line 1 and line 2 is 90 degrees is there. Now these two lines are parallel to each other. Now one of the line is transversal, that is denoted L line. Okay. Now L line is form four angles here. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Four angles are there. Similarly, at the point Q, this point represented P, this point represented at Q. Now these four angles, here also four angles. Totally 8 angles form with the help of a transversal intersecting at the point of at the lines L1 and L2. Now my concept is corresponding angles. What you say about corresponding angles? What is the relation between is there this concept? Now my concept is here at the point of P is form line L and L1. Line L1 intersecting at point, that point is represented T. Similarly, point Q is intersecting of line L and line 2. Line 2, line L intersecting at point Q. That is a very important concept. At the intersecting point of P and Q, four angles can be formed here. These are angles represented A, B, C, D, four angles. At the point of Q, here also four angles are there. Those angles represented E, F, G, H. Now these four angles are, some relations are there. Those relations, one of the relation is very important, corresponding angles. Which angles are called corresponding angles? Corresponding angles nothing but at the point of P, some ABCD angles are there. Though ABCD angles names are A is right up, right side and upside. At the point of P, whenever you stay here, what is the name of A? A is right side, A is right side and upside. B is left side and upside. C is left side but downside. D is right side and downside. Right up, left up. Left down, right down, right up, left down, right down. This is the names of the pointer at point P, A, B, C, D names. Similarly, same concept at the point of Q. E, F, G, H, right up, left down, right down. Okay. Now, which two names are at the point of P, comma Q? Both are same. Tell me, students. Which two names of the angles? Which two angles names are equal at the point of P comma Q? At the point of P comma Q, names are A name is right up, E name is right up, right up, both are same. So that this type of the angles, which type of the angles? Angle A, angle E. These two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. This type of the angle name is corresponding angles. This type of the angle is corresponding angles. What you say about this type of the corresponding angles? This type of the corresponding angles are equal. Always corresponding angles are equal? No. One of the case is there. That case is lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal. One more time, students. Lines are parallel to each other. Line 1, line 2 are parallel to each other. Whenever lines parallel, corresponding angles can be formed. Those angles are equal to each other. Lines parallel, corresponding angles are equal. Okay. If in case angles like corresponding angles are equal, lines are parallel to each other. Okay. Now, conversely is also true. Conversely nothing but LHS is equal to RHS. RHS is equal to LHS. That is the concept of conversely. corresponding angles are equal. Lines are parallel to each other. Lines are parallel to each other. Corresponding angles also equal. So one more pair of the corresponding angles. Tell me students here. Angle A, angle E, corresponding angle because of right up, right up. One more pair, angle B, angle F because of angle B pronunciation. Angle B place is left up. Angle F place is left up, left up, left up. These two angles names are same positions are at the two distinct points of P comma Q. So that this pair of angles also called corresponding angles. So that one more pair, tell me students, at the point P, angle B, at the point Q, angle F. These two angles are on the board corresponding angles. This type of the corresponding angles also equal because of our concept is line L1 and line L2 are parallel to each other. So that second pair also corresponding angles equal. Tell me similarly students one more. Two pairs of angles corresponding equal or not? Yes, those pairs are C and G. C and G are corresponding angles because of these two angles names are left down, left down. Clear? Now I am going to the one more pair at the point P as well as at the point Q. Those angles are called here D and H. Now D and H angles are also equal to each other because of this type of the angles also same position names are there, but points are different. Angle names are equal. Listen, angle D name is write down. Angle H name is write down. Write down, write down. At the two distinct points, two different lines are there. So that this type of the angles are called corresponding angles. How many number of corresponding angles can be formed? Two parallel lines and transverse students? Four pairs. Actually, how many angles form there? Eight angles. How many pairs of corresponding angles are equal? Four pairs of corresponding angles are equal. Those names are like that one. One of the very important statement. Very, very important. Once again, I repeated. Listen carefully. One pair of corresponding angles are equal. Just one pair. One pair of corresponding angles are equal, then the given two lines are parallel to each other. Conversely, lines parallel to each other, then corresponding angles all are equal. One pair of just one pair, not all are equal, just one pair of corresponding angles are equal, immediately lines are parallel to each other. If in case lines are parallel to each other, corresponding angles also equal. Which is the very most important statement in the concept of the lines and angles, that is corresponding angles. If you are like this video, please like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.